The next product I'd like to talk about is the Asus Zenfone 9. It has been leaked out completely. It is probably the only small phone being launched this year, powerful phone. I'm not talking about the iPhone SE 3 because the rumored iPhone 14 is coming with the smallest phone. Mini has been cut. They're launching the 6.1, 6.7 for both the Pro and Pro Max. This will be called iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max. So iPhone 14 is going to be 6.1 inch. Now coming back to Zenfone 9. Zenfone 9 is a 5.9 inch full HD screen, 120Hz phone. It's got upgraded cameras, a new IMX 766 camera with supposedly having gimbal stabilization, and it has a new ultra wide camera on the back which has macro support, same like last year. The front, they've not spoken about the camera, but it had 4K last year, so the cameras are sorted out. The design has been changed a bit. You get headphone jack, you get side mount fingerprint scanner. Last year there was no expandable storage, so I don't believe this year there will be one. The pricing will be good. It's a waterproof phone, IP68, so it's got all the features what you want on the phone, stock Android. But the biggest problem is there is the software situation. I don't understand why Asus can't support their phone for more than 2 years. Every other manufacturer in 3 years. Even the Nothing phone is announced 3 software updates. So Asus, I really hope you can give people who buy your phone, though the numbers may be small, up to 2 years of Android updates. It's what, as I said, advantage: headphone jack, dual speakers, small compact phone, 8 plus Gen 1 processor, lots of RAM will be the last year there was a 16GB version as well. The stock Android, it's got very good cameras, not giving any gimmicks like 2 megapixel or 5 megapixel potato cameras. So overall it's a very good package. Only thing they should give at least 3 years of Android updates. Thank you.